have difficulty speaking in front of many people. Social anxiety and stress is normal for most people. However, there are some foods to avoid and lessen social anxiety and stress. Here are 10 simple ways. When you laugh, it's hard to feel anxious. Laughing can also actually boost your immune system and mood in the long term. A study among cancers found that people in the laughter intervention group have more stress relief than those who have just been distracted. Try to watch a funny television show or hang out with friends who make you laugh. 2. Listening to music. Hearing music can have a very relaxing effect on the body. Slow-paced instrumental music can cause relaxation by reducing blood pressure, heart rate, as well as stress hormones. Although some types of classical, Celtic, indigenous music may be particularly soothing, simply hearing your favorite music also actually does work. The sounds of nature can also be very soothing. That is why they are often integrated into the music of relaxation and meditation. 3. Deep breathing. Mental stress activates your nervous system, indicating that your body is in fight or flight mode. This reaction releases stress hormones and causes physical symptoms such as faster heartbeat, faster breathing, and restricted blood vessels. Deep breathing exercises can help activate your parasympathetic system that controls the response to relaxation. The aim of deep breathing is to concentrate your awareness on your breath and make it slower and deeper. When you breathe deeply into your nose, your lungs expand completely and your belly rises. This helps slow down your heart rate and allows you to feel confident. 4. Exercise. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do to fight stress. The advantages are strongest when you regularly exercise. People who regularly exercise are less likely to be anxious than people who do not. Try to find a workout or activities you like walking, dancing, climbing, or yoga. It can also improve the quality of your sleep, which can be negatively affected by stress and fear. It also helps to release endorphins that enhance your mood and act as natural antidepressants. 5. Stress-relieving supplements. Lemon balm and omega-3 fatty acids can reduce anxiety symptoms. Green tea may lower stress and anxiety by increasing serotonin levels. Kava kava is a psychoactive member of the pepper family. Some supplements can interact with medications or have side effects, so you may want to consult with a doctor if you have a medical condition. 7. Reduce your intake of caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant in coffee, tea, and energy drinks. A high dosage may increase anxiety. People have different thresholds to tolerate the amount of caffeine. When you realize that caffeine makes you anxious or jittery, consider cutting it. Although many studies show that coffee can be moderately healthy, it is not for all. 5 or less cups per day are generally considered to be a moderate amount. 8. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to practices which anchor you to this moment. It can help fight negative thinking, anxiety-inducing. There are several methods for increasing awareness, including cognitive therapy based on awareness, stress reduction based awareness, yoga, and meditation. A recent study in college students suggests that mindfulness can increase self-esteem, thereby decreasing symptoms of anxiety and depression. 9. Keep a diary of thoughts. One way to deal with stress is to write down things. While one approach is recording what you are stressed about, another approach shows up for what you are grateful for. Thanksgiving can help relieve stress and anxiety by focusing your thinking on positive things in your life. 10. Chewing gum. Try chewing gum for a super easy and quick stress reliever. One study showed that people who chewed gum are more well-being and less stressful. One possible explanation is that chewing gum causes similar brain waves to relaxed people. Another is that chewing gum promotes your brain's blood flow. A recent study also showed that stress relief was greatest when people chewed harder. Exercise, mindfulness, and music can all work to relieve anxiety. These tips often involve getting your mind away from the source of stress. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.